guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making slime. So what you will need to make slime is a container to make it in, a spoon, some glue, and activator. So I'm using this Elmer's Magical liquid, but you can also use borax or laundry detergent or contact lens solution. I mean, I have borax, but I wanted to test this out for you guys. So first you're going to add the desired amount that you want. I'm going to make about 4 ounces. So I got this, I don't know if you guys can see, I got about this much, which is about like 1 glue container. And then you're gonna mix. And if you want it fluffy, you add shaving cream, but I don't want it fluffy today. I'm just gonna make a thick base slime. And then you're gonna take your Elmer, whatever activator you guys use. They have bubbles. Okay, let's see. Oh, it's like glue. That's a weird consistency. It's weird. It's like not like borax or like what I typically use. I might have added too much. So I used to use in the past, I would use contact lens solution, then I switched over to borax. Wait, no, first I would use borax, and then I switched to contact lens solution, and then I switched to borax again, and now I might use this, but I don't know what the, result comes. So whatever is better, I'm going to use that. So this is not really how I would like an activator, but I mean, let's see. Don't judge a book by its cover. So this is how it looks so far. I mean, it's kind of turning into slime, but I'm scared to add more because, it's kind of sketchy. It says for every 4 ounce, add 1/2 cup. No, add 1/4 cup. So I might have added too much. It's becoming slime. Usually I would need it, but I'm lazy today. Oof. If you guys want more videos like this, like and comment down below so I know to make more videos like this. And comment down below which type of slime you guys want me to make. I'm in the process of buying fake snow, so if I get that, I might make a snow slime for you guys. Or cloud slime. I don't know to add it at once or add it little by little, because with borax you add a little by little, but with contact lens solution you add a lot at a time. Comment down below if you've ever used this. It says good for 4 batches of slime, but I mean that would be divided into 1/4, so I guess it would be correct, but I think that's a little too much for 1 batch. It's working out well so far. Should I add shaving cream to make it fluffy? Should I? I don't want to start kneading it, because my problem is whenever it looks ready, I start kneading it, and then a disaster happens because it's not ready yet. So I always ask someone to add activator for me. Nope, I did it again. It's not ready. God, I might have added said too much. It's like not water, but like not like glue. It's like weird. Hey guys. What should I do for the thumbnail? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's my thumb. Or should I? Oh no, I know what I'm gonna like hold it like that. Might actually make a good slime. I don't have patience. It's like so wanting to. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, it's weird. It's like jiggly slime. Should I start eating it? I don't know. It's kind of like contact lens solution. Oh no! Ew! Yuck! It's like jiggly slime. Should I add borax? Ew! I hate jiggly slime. Maybe I should add more. Okay, I added a little too much. For me, I like don't like jiggly slimes. Like in the previous 2 videos, the one, oh, my slime, what was the name of it? Oh, my slimes, oh, reviewing of my slimes. On that video, I had bought a jiggly slime, and it's like water. Like, it was like, here, let me show you guys. So this is the one. If you guys haven't seen in the last video, go watch it. It's like water, and that's like not that bad, but it's like that, kind of. You guys can hear, it's like, oh no, what did I do? I made it bad. It says great for slime. I mean, this is not great slime. Ew. Maybe I made a mistake of buying this. Yeah. I definitely don't recommend getting this because, guys, look at the slime. It's not sticky. It's just like jiggly. It's like, I don't know if you guys like jiggly slime. I mean, be my guest, buy it. But like, it's like, I don't know. It's like not slime. If it's like slime, it's kind of like goo. Let me put it that way. It's like not slime. So I'm not gonna use this. I mean, it kind of smells good, but what if I add more? Maybe it's because I didn't add enough, but it's already hard. Should I add borax? I think I'm gonna add borax because I don't like this kind of consistency. I'll be right back, guys. Ta-da! Oops. Okay, so this is my borax. Bad. Let's see what happens. But I hope borax and that, whatever that thing is, get along, because no, my first slime is a fail. Well, not my first slime. My first because I've had 4 gallons, more than 4 gallons. Like, I've had like a lot of gallons, and this is like it's like new. I just got it, so this is my first slime of the gallon, and so it turned out a fail. I hate this. What is it? It's like basically water. Like when I make a slime and sometimes it's hard, I add water to make it a little jiggly, but when you add a lot, it becomes jiggly. Annoying. Lotion. Lotion will help. Not using this. Comment down below if you guys want this. I want to see how many people want it. Dun, dun, dun. Someone's phone went up. Is that lotion? Please, can you give me lotion, please? Just a little teensy bit. Yay. It's like good but hard. Like for some people this is good slime, but for me, I like sticky slime. I don't know why. I just like, but I don't like jiggly slime. Like I mean, look at this, guys. It doesn't stretch. I might make this into a cloud slime actually. Let's add some lotion. What's the name? Napa Valley Sunset. I really like this lotion. It smells really good. Let's see. If you guys have any really hard slimes, just add lotion or hot water and it makes it really good. But not too much, because when you add too much, it becomes disgusting jiggly slime. Unless you guys like jiggly slime. Which I'm sorry if I offended you. It's still, I mean, bad, but like it's better than before. I'm never going to use this thing again. Disgusting. Total waste. It says it replaces baking soda and contact lens solution, but contact lens solution makes a way better slime. Like seriously. Elmer's likes like very hard slimes. Like whenever you see like, you know those kits that like Elmer's has? Whenever you see in the back of them, they're like really stiff slimes. Well, in my opinion. But like, I think Elmer's doesn't know what slime is. They just want to sell glue to people. And they came up with this thing because they want to try to sell. You know what? So honestly, I think if they like put contact lens solution in this, no one would know, and it would be way better because then it would like actually work properly. It became real good. So this is my slime. Should I color it? I don't know if I should color it. Just wait. Just wait. Come on. One tip for you guys if you want to make slime and you're like a beginner. So you should add everything little by little and never buy this magical liquid. Like contact lens solution is a little bit expensiver, but it's way better. Like honestly, I would recommend it because I've been playing with slime for like 2 years. I don't know. My mom would know because I make a disaster, but yeah. Mom, how long have I been playing with slime? 1 or 2 years? 'Cause 2, yeah. So I'm a professional, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna, I don't know, should I wrap it up or should I color the slime? What color should I make it? I'm going to make it. What color should I make it? Mom, what color should I make it? Orange? Okay, I'm gonna make it orange. So, should I make it butter or fluff or just like this? That's okay, because if I, well, my mom says to make it orange, but if I want to make it orange, I can add yellow Daiso clay and add red food coloring, or I could just do orange. What should I do? Yellow and pink? Okay, so I'm going to make it a butter slime. I'll be right back. Give me the... So, this is my yellow Daiso clay slime, and if you don't know what Daiso clay is, it's like basically a clay, and it's my red food color. So, I'm going to be making it orange. So, basically, if you want to make a Daiso clay slime, you're going to take the same amount of slime as the Daiso clay, and you're going to go, and then you're going to knead it. So, this is the butter slime, but it's going to be orange, so let's add some red food coloring. The thing I don't like about food coloring is that it makes it dyes your hands. Let me do it with this spoon. I think Elmer's, they would like take a spoon literally and say, magical spoon, even though it's not magical. It's like a regular spoon. No, I might have added too much red. Stupid motorcycle, I'm filming. So this is the orange it turned out to be. And maybe in one of my next videos, I'll make like a rainbow slime. It looks like an orange. I'm gonna try to make it an orange. Hey guys, do you want some oranges? Let's see how real it looks for the orange. But oranges are hard. So. No, nothing like. But this is not really an orange, so what is this? But it's like different colors. It's not ripe yet. Oranges are this orange. It's organic, that's why, apparently. So I really like this slime, but I definitely do not recommend this. It's like, it's the worst. Let me add some more lotion, and I'm gonna do an ASMR for you guys, then I'll wrap this vlog up. Oh my god, did you guys see that? Look. Wait, no, it didn't work. I was like trying to put it, and then it like took the slime up with it. Oh yay, more lotion. I mean, I don't think I need it, but look at that slime. I'm gonna be Shakespeare. Look at that slime. But I don't think there was slime back then. Like 200 years ago. More. Bad. have another one. I like this one smell better, and I don't want to mix them. There's like so much in there, but it refuses to come out. The more I'm adding lotion, it's actually coming bad. Maybe some water. Okay guys, so I'm gonna do ASMR for you guys. Let me just get some lotion more. Yeah, I give up. I'm gonna take it from the other one. As easy as that. Okay. Thank you for the glue, Mommy. Oh yeah, I'm gonna do the butter slime challenge. I know. I'm gonna do that. Let me just... Oh my gosh, I shouldn't have done that. That's why I don't mix scents and put a lot. But I'm a slime master, so it's okay. Okay, so I'm gonna like do a butter slime effect like that. Like there's this, oh, I made it really good. See guys, I told you lotion is like the best thing if you want to fix this. And it makes it scented too. Okay, so I'm gonna do my ASMR right now. Oh, and you guys, I have a slime account. If you guys want to go follow it, plug down below. I'll link it. It's rainbowslimes_10, and I made a video for this slime. Oh, well, I'm gonna make a video after this. If you guys want more ASMRs, go follow. So here we go. So that's my slime. And if you guys want to like continue watching it, because that's just a preview, go follow my Instagram and you can watch it. So this is gonna be the thumbnail. Okay, thank you for watching, guys. Peace. Don't forget to like and subscribe.